We will extend this example with the sorting as well. So after we do the pivoting here, you can see the different numbers, and then I will show you how to to perform the sorting in yeah, over the pivot table. So step three will depends on step two in this case. Okay. So remember last time we had the sorting, right? So we basically we use the selection variable, sorry, which is the order of the. In this case, I will use the mm, table step two and then column FY24 for the, and I will also decreasing. Equal to true, which means the biggest guy will be on top. And then I will use step three. If step three depends on step two on the selection variable. In this case, drop, of course, there would be three uh, columns, so it won't drop the table into the vector. So it's okay to ignore this one, but I will just write it here just in case. So I will print step three in here, and then we compare the result. Okay, let me save it. And then you can see here, step three will be the same as step two in here, but then the result will be okay. So let me run the thing again. I think that's the console is not working. So step two will be in here, and then you can see the numbers will be random. Actually, the number depends on the order of the market, but then in here it will be sorted by FY24. Okay, so if you mm, if you want to uh, make this one by I'm at another step here by FY22. You can do the same thing by copying 22 here, and then this one will be step 3b or step 4. Just make it step 4 in order to be simple. Otherwise, we'll confuse ourselves. Okay. So after save it and run, and then you can have step three, which is biggest one here, and then step four, which is the biggest to the smallest, will be here. Okay, so you can see now we have different steps, and then they can be replicated more easily. Okay, so this one uh, it this one will be a little bit like economic in the sense that when we do a good step already, we can just repeat the whole thing again and then copy and paste. So the next question for this will be how about I want to sort by the total revenue of all of them, like step one, like FY22, 3, 4, all the way. So this one can be answered by the two thing. The first one is like we just sum them all together like previously. But the second thing is like I just make up a new column, and then I sort by that column. Okay, so this will bring me to step five, like this. Okay, so I will do step four, step five. The selection will be like this. The selection will be the total of step 2 FY22 plus 23 and then plus 24. Okay, so I just add the three columns together in this one is very nice compared to Excel's in the sense that you don't have to drag all the way. You only need to specify the column name and then not the like the row name as well. So it just in this table. So you can see here the notation is very similar to Excel, right? The sheet name, and then in Excel it will be the exclamation mark, right? But then this one is the dollar sign, and then the column name, and then plus plus plus. So it'll plus all the columns together in this variable. Now you don't need to set this one as well. You can just order this one by the this variable. Okay, so actually, if you want to, you can just put this one S1 and S1 here, and then S2 here. But then I don't want to do that because I want to be economic in namings, and then I don't want to confuse myself as well. So I will put this one in here, and then I will put the same thing in the same process. So except for, so you can compare line for line the step 5 here and step 4 above, and then you can see they are quite similar. So step 5 here, step 5 here. Okay. So I will show you step 4 and then step 5 next to each other. So I save it and then I just run. So you can see here step 4. You can see the number come down in here. Now this one is a little bit difficult for us to follow because we don't have the total in here. So how can we do that? We can just fix this one a little bit. So I will I will do this by adding step 5 in here. So step 5 will be the same as step 2, sorry. And then step 5 total will be the sum of step 2, step 2, uh, this one, and this one, the three of them. Oh, if you want to combine, if you want to combine the two steps together, you can use the data frame function in here as well. But in this case, I just because I want to be economic, to be more clear, so I don't want to be economic, and then uh, I just make it into two steps. Now in here, the selection here, you can just replace the step number 5 in here, and then now you have the same thing, but then in this case you do the step 5 instead of step 5 in here instead of step 2 because you want to sort the whole thing including the total. Okay, and then the rest will be the same thing. Okay, so the trick here is we don't do the thing in step 2, but we add one more total column first, and then we do in the total, we do the sorting in the total column. Okay, let us see the result. Okay, hold on, I have to save this one first, and then I run this. Okay, so you can see here the total down from 226 to all the way to 78, and then that's it. That's the total. So compared to here, you see the step 4 here, you can see the order is on FY22, but then in here the order is on the total. Okay, so that's all, guys. So this one is there's nothing new in terms of functions and rscript. It just like to show you the different ways to sort the pivot table. So after we do the pivoting already, and then we can sort on top of the pivot table.